I recently went viral. Like when I mean viral on Facebook, I went massively viral. And when a lot of people are seeing all of those views and they keep saying, "Oh, Vibetonia, share your revenue. How much do you make?" Some people have personally DM me, and this is because they actually want to make money from Facebook as well. The people already know that I always love to encourage every single person that anywhere you can make money or make money. Oh. If it's on Facebook, make money. If it's on TikTok, make money. If it's on YouTube, make money. Because right now my YouTube is not really doing enough for me because you guys know that I've not been consistent. But at least since I can upload like a 3 minute, 1 minute, 2 minute video, I do that on my Facebook, and I thank God for his grace. Like last month I was able to get $263. Okay, so I was able to get $263 to my local bank account, and I was so grateful. And I have a video that went up to 511,000 views, k views. Okay, I want to show you guys the revenue, how much I literally earn. And this is me encouraging and everybody, like, this is me not coming here to brag. You can see that I'm not even prepared for this video, but I just say, okay, let me just share so that the people that are asking me as well, we also know. Okay, so yeah, with that being said, let's dive right into the screen record, and I'll be back with to wrap up all this video. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, because I try my possible best to encourage you on every single journey here. So let's go, guys.
My screen record is all started, and I'm going to be talking about this video that gave me 511k views.
We have a major breaking news.
This particular video that you guys are seeing, and this video literally gave me 19k likes, and comments I got 4.6k, and for share I got 1.1k likes. Okay, so yeah, have it at the back of your mind that every single earnings differs and varies. Okay, they might pay you big, they might pay you less, depending on the audience retention of your video. Okay, and if you guys know this, my Facebook page, I do more of news updates, blah blah blah. I just developed that passion and it's working. Anyway, clock it. So let's go so that we guys can all check the insights together. Because I'm not so familiar with Facebook here right now, so I'll check the insight from my professional dashboard. And if I click my professional dashboard, I'm going to go ahead and click this video. So here it is. And guys, you guys can literally see that for this video, for the 511,399 views, I made $10.53. Interaction 25,934, and I got 2,157 followers from this place. And you can see that my viewers also came from Facebook, which is 410k came from Facebook, and then 14k viewers came from Instagram. Okay, and then they said the percentage of time your reels were played starting from the first frame, the drop off, and the blah blah blah. I don't know this one, you can check it by yourself. And then you can see the real typical blah blah blah. Then for the view breakdown, you can see that these are my views: 511k, 3 seconds view is 368k, then 1 minute view, that means people that viewed it for at least 3 second views. I don't even understand what they're saying. Anyways, and then for here, they're saying no enough data to show yet. You can see it here, my approximately earning from just content monetization, because my star is not active and I didn't have any bonus or any subscription coming from here. Then my reaction, 20k reaction. I know that once people are engaging more on your page, I think they tend to pay you better. So and then you can see my likes, comments, save, I don't know. And then you can see the age, which is the age and gender that watched: 34 to 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 25 to 34, and others. And then you can see the countries that are watching: Nigeria mostly. And you guys know that if Nigerians are then on top of your package, forget about it. You are not gonna get enough thing. Okay. And then South Africa, Ghana, and then others. Honestly, when you are on Facebook and when people see you on Facebook and they see that you're getting massive views, like when people come to my page, they see that I'm getting massive views, they think that's how I'm making a lot of money. I can hit my chest and tell you that I've not even made up to $1,000, $1,000 in all of the views that you guys are seeing, all of the views. But one thing I'm thanking God for, and one thing I'm grateful for is that nothing is too small. Okay, so let's go back to wrap up this video.
Anyways, you guys have literally seen how much a 511,000 views can actually pay. See, if you ask me to advise you as a content creator, for me, I will say, if you have all of that energy to invest on YouTube, YouTube is absolutely one of the best place for you to make more and more money. Okay, because even if I should get these views on YouTube Shorts, I believe strongly I would have been making whole lot of money than what I actually made on on Facebook. I actually put in effort. That's just the truth. Despite the fact that the video is a 3 minute video, or I think less than 3 minute video, I filmed, I edited it, I have to go look for captions that will actually go. So it's just a whole lot of work putting in, and at the end of the day, you can only see $10. For someone coming from YouTube, I think is not worth it. But for someone that is not getting enough for now on YouTube, I think is worth it. So I don't know. This is just me opening up to you guys and giving you guys my honest opinion. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you on Facebook? Do you think I should switch to an other niche? Because a lot of people keep saying that other niches are better, blah blah blah. Maybe this one is because of what they call it, news niche. You can literally, our friends are telling me, yes, news niche, you can go viral, but at the same time you're not making a lot. So if you have any niche that you know is making a lot, please recommend. Maybe I'll probably open another Facebook page and official, because anything making money, I am literally in. My lifestyle own is not like I'm gonna share the revenue on my lifestyle own for all the views I've literally been getting. You're gonna cry on my behalf, okay? But let me not say too much, sharing my revenue so that you can also make a decision for yourself. If you know that you're not good with YouTube, you can hop in on Facebook, look for something creative to do. If you know that you are not good on Facebook, you can do YouTube. There's a lot of money here on YouTube. I can't lie to you. I can't lie to you. I can tell you that even with me not uploading consistently on YouTube, this is me opening up to you guys. With me not uploading consistently on YouTube, right? What I've made this month on Facebook is nothing compared to what I've made on YouTube. Like I've made like times two of what I keep uploading on Facebook. And sometimes I upload like 10 videos, 5 videos, 2 videos. It's stressful. I can't lie to you guys, but it's worth the struggle. At least this can actually buy my data. That thing self buy my data. I'm asking my husband because at the end of the day, and how much I spend on time. But anyways, I'm thanking God. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe and follow for more. Sorry the way I just bopped in here. Bye bye.